Okay, so in today's Zoom meeting, there were some questions about counting volume with the unit cubes. And so I'm going to do a couple of those, and then I'll do a couple more of the regular ones. So we're going to look at this side. And so we always want to look at the very front of our figure. And from here to here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. So this is our length. Volume equals length times width times height. So that's our 4. The width then is going to be your diagonal. So we're going from here to here, and we're going to count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 of those. And then we count our height. That's the straight up and down. So we have straight up and down here, straight up and down here. So I'm just going to go on this side. So we have 1 and 2. So we go up 2 blocks. So then we multiply it. 4 times 4 is 16, times 2 would be 32. And if we had a unit, like centimeters or whatever, it'd be unit cubed would be our final answer. So let's do this one. Again, we start at the front and we count our cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get volume, length times width times height. So that's 4 times. Then we go along our diagonal line. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 going that way. And then we do our height, which is going from the bottom to top. 1, 2, 3. So again, we can do like 4 times 3. It doesn't matter how you multiply them because of the commutative property rule. And that would be 48 units cubed. Okay. We'll do one more. I'll do this one. So we've got 1, 2 cubes going across. Helps if you write the formula every time because then it helps you memorize it. We go to our diagonal line and we count going across there. 1, 2, 3. And then we go from our diagonal up to the top. 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Times 3 would be 18 units cubed. Okay, and that's how you would count your cubes. Which matches up with then when we're doing our open ones. So here was like yesterday that we talked about where we're already given the base. So another volume formula is volume equals the area of the base, that's the capital B, times the height. So the area of the base was 56 times 6, and then that would give you your final answer. But for most of your problems, you're going to find them like this. You've got your volume equals length times width times height. So you have your length times your width times your height. And it really doesn't matter what number you put in there. You can put them in any order, not. So you've got 3 numbers. So what you really need to remember is it doesn't matter if you call your length 5, and that doesn't matter because you're going to always get the same answer. Just remember that you're always multiplying all 3 numbers. That's the big concept. Okay, if you have any questions, please join us to Zoom in the morning before you go on to your work to do.